Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Shiro An, sweet white bean paste. It is used in many Japanese sweets such as Mochi, Daifuku, Anpan, and Manju. Ingredients are simple, just white kidney beans and sugar. We are using dried white kidney beans from Japan. Before we start, soak the beans in 3 cups of water overnight for 8 hours or longer. Next, we remove the skins. This step is not absolutely necessary, so you can skip it if you want, but the extra step lets you have a silkier texture at the end. Transfer the peeled beans in a pot, add water, and cook at high heat. Let boil for a few minutes, then drain. In a clean pot with 3 cups of water, cook beans for 2 hours, taking care that water doesn't get below the top of the beans, or cook in a pressure cooker for 20 minutes until the beans are completely soft. Take the cooked beans out of water with a skimmer and retain the water. And process the beans in a food processor with 1/4 cup of the retained water. Add more if needed. Put the bean mixture back into a large pot, add sugar, and cook until thickened, stirring constantly. Cook for about 5 minutes for softer anko and about 10 minutes for thicker anko. How hard Shiro An should be depends on what it is used for afterward. If it's scooped inside dorayaki or anpan, being softer is desirable. However, if it's used to be shaped in any way, Shiro An needs to be firmer and not sticky to handle. You can adjust the firmness simply by changing the cooking time at this point. Today we are making a bit softer to scoop and make dorayaki. Bean paste is sandwiched between sweet pancakes. You can check our recipe video to learn how to make dorayaki. Shiro An can be used in many sweets. If you like to make Japanese sweets, this is a great recipe to keep.
美味しい。美味しいね。